Contacts are a key part of your workflow on Clarra, representing the people and companies outside of your organization that populate your virtual Rolodex. You can link contacts with specific matters, as well as plaintiffs, helping you easily keep track of associations between relevant parties. With communications integrations enabled, you can message your contacts directly from Clarra via email or text. To access information about a contact from the main contacts page, simply click on the information icon. Here, you can see the information you've entered when creating the contact, including basic details, their linked company, contact information, linked matters and plaintiffs, as well as any notes. To edit contact information, click the Edit button at the bottom. You can also review communications with the contact you've logged in Clarra or sent from Clarra by clicking the adjoining Communications tab. Click on a communications item for expanded detail. Contacts also take advantage of the customizability features available on Clarra, as you can create custom fields to organize information for a contact in a completely tailored way. To create a custom field for a contact, click on your profile icon and select Properties. From there, click the Contacts tab and Add Property. Let's say we want to create a new category to include in contact information, such as whether or not the contact should be included in a holiday mailing list. We write the name of the field, Include in Holiday Mailing List. As this will be a singular custom field, we won't include it in a group. We then select a field type, in this case single checkbox, as we want to click yes or no as our options. We then add the yes and no options by clicking Add Option and writing yes and no. You can choose a sort order and whether or not to mark this field as containing personally identifiable information. In this case, there's no sensitive information, but if you're creating a field that includes such, Clarra makes it easy to hide that data for security purposes. Finally, we select some rules, such as whether or not to display the field when empty, as in when neither yes nor no have been selected for a given contact. If you've created custom section headers, you can choose to display custom fields beneath them. We can also choose who is allowed to see the custom field. As the holiday list is relatively basic, non-sensitive information, we'll leave it with all users. Press Save, and you're good to go. We can see Include in Holiday Mailing List back on the Contacts Properties tab. Back on the Contacts page, let's make the new custom field visible by checking its box in Table Settings. We can also drag and drop to move it to the forefront of the table, appearing here. Now, let's create a new contact utilizing the Holiday List custom field. You can navigate to the new contact creation page by clicking the Add New button represented by the plus icon in the top right and clicking Add New Contact. You can also click the Contacts section on the left sidebar and Add New Contact on the top right. You can create contacts for either individuals or companies. The process is quite similar between the two, and we'll focus on adding an individual contact today. First, enter the contact's basic details, including first and last name, as well as any prefixes, suffixes, or titles as appropriate. Then, select a contact type to help you organize the contact among similar contacts. You can choose from the pre-existing list on Clarra or edit contact types in Properties. Tags are another useful and customizable organizational tool available here. You can include a linked company for the contact by selecting from company contacts you've already added to Clarra. Make sure to include relevant contact information as well for the company. Next, add the individual contact information, including phone, email, and address. You can also choose to link a contact to a matter as well as a plaintiff to have that contact appear on the Linked Contacts tab for the selected matter or plaintiff, as we showed at the beginning. Connection type is another helpful organizational tool to categorize contacts in relation to a given matter or plaintiff. You can designate the contact as a key contact so that they always appear on the matter dashboard. We then reach our custom field and can indicate whether or not we want this contact to be on the holiday mailing list. We'll say we want them on the list and press yes. You can also add any notes you would like as well, such as when someone's most frequently available to meet. Press Save to create the contact. Back on the Contacts page, we see the contact we've created as well as their designation in the custom field about the holiday mailing list. Let's finish by quickly going over how easy it is to add that custom field designation to a previously created contact by looking at the contact above. Click the green pencil icon next to any existing contact to open the Edit Contact page. Scroll down to our custom field. We'll say this contact is also on the holiday mailing list, and press Update. And there you have it. Both are now included in the holiday mailing list category. Clarra offers users a comprehensive yet easily navigable contact organization system that works hand in hand with other features on Clarra to make your workflow smoother and more efficient.